and welcome back to Softhealer Technology. Today we will explore invoicing functionality. Now let's click on Xero configuration. Here you can see invoice sections. You can see invoice related configuration like import invoice, export invoice, auto import invoice, auto export invoice, exclude new invoice. Now if you want to import invoice from Xero to Odoo, simply do import invoice boolean, save and click on sync invoice button. Here you can see in a log history invoice added to the queue. Now go to the queue menu, select invoice and click on manually import. Here you can see in a log history invoice added to the queue. Now let's go in the invoice. Here you can see invoice imported successfully. Now if you want to export invoice from Odoo to Xero, simple click export invoice boolean. Again click on sync invoice button. Here you can see invoice exported successfully. Now if you do not want to do import invoice and export invoice operation manually using sync invoice button, so click this auto import invoice boolean and auto export invoice boolean. It will automatically import and export invoice via Chrome. Now if you want to keep newly created invoice out of Xero until you are ready, true exclude new invoice boolean, go to the invoice, create new invoice, select product, save and click on export to Xero. Here you can see one validation error. Okay. Thank you for watching.